Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to install Kali 2020 in VMware. Not as usual method, so we need to use a different method to install without wasting a lot of time. So you have to follow my instructions carefully. First you need to download VMware Pro and its product key. Second step, install the VMware. It's so simple to install. Third step, then you need to download Kali 2020 setup file from the kali.org. Fourth step, after you download Kali 2020, you need to extract Kali 2020 in some folders. That folder you have to scan from the VMware stations. You will realize when I am doing the demonstration. Fifth step, turn on VMware. Then after you have to follow some instruction by clicking file, then scan for virtual machine. You have to give the path of that file which you extract. So let's go into the demonstration. First you need to download VMware Pro. So here you can download VMware Pro, and I already download. So VMware Workstation is available for all the platform like Kali Linux and every Linux versions and the Windows. So you can download. After you download, you have to install. So when you are downloading that, after that installation, you will face the product key. So we need to download the VMware product key. So the first link after you click that is redirect to the GitHub account. So there are some keys available. So when you are installing, you have to give the key, it will ask. So the second step is you need to install it. Then third step, you need to download kali.org. So go to the kali.org. So go to the downloads. So don't download these things because it's another type. So it's usual method how to install, but you are going to install in the VMware, right? So you have these options. So Kali Linux 64-bit VMware, Kali Linux 64-bit, 32-bit VirtualBox. So you have to click it according to. So my system is 64-bit. So click this and read this carefully. Is it 64-bit or 32-bit? So the torrent file will be downloaded. So if you don't have torrents, so simply installs torrent in your machine. So here I downloaded and I installed. So there are some YouTube reference also, you can follow that. So after you download the kali.org, I mean that VMware file, so this setup file looks like this one. So you had to right click and extract. So I extract here. So after you extract, you will receive the files like this. So as I said in the instruction, so you have to give the path by running in the VMware. So let's go. So click the VMware and go to the file, and here scan for virtual machines options. So click that. So you have to click that here, and you have to give the correct path where you extracted setup file. So my computer I know the path. So as you know, you have to give that. So your one come like this. So after that finish it. then close it. So here you can see Kali 2020 version. So after you install, you had to do some small changes according to your hardware which was embedded in your laptop or whatever. So click this one and you have to click the memory and you had to set up. So my one is 8 GB, so I allocated 4 GB for the Kali. Then you had to click the processor. So according to your one you had to select, so I'm selecting 2. So when you are running it will tell error, so if it is saying, so change the settings to 1. It's depend all over in your hardware. So then you had to power up, and here you had to click I copied it. Wait for a moment. So the default password and the username is Kali. So this is a step you need to follow without wasting a lot of time to install the Kali 2020 by the usual method you follow. So you are running the virtual machine or VMware, right? So it will take too much time to install by your default method as everyone follow. So follow this method so you can save a lot of time. So if you have any doubts, comment below. So as I said, default Kali and password also Kali. Press enter. Yeah, it's running properly. So you have to click the full screen and you can work like normal. So if you guys don't subscribe to my channels, please subscribe and give your support and press the bell icon. So if you have further more doubts, you can ask anything in the comments. So share this video maximum. Thank you.